Hello and welcome to Tech Eye View. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to quickly and easily download Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Let's get started. First, open any web browser. In the address bar, type Download Visual Studio Code and press Enter. Click on the first link. This will take you to the official Visual Studio Code website. On the website, you'll see several download options at the center. For Windows, simply click System Installer or other options as per your requirement. For Linux, choose your respective distribution, whether it is Debian, Ubuntu, Red Hat, Fedora, and so on, respectively. For Mac, choose your option accordingly. Your download should start immediately. If it doesn't, look for a manual download link. It should only take a few moments. Once the download is complete, you'll find the file in the folder you selected while downloading VS Code. That's it. You now have the Visual Studio Code installer file ready to use. And that's how you have successfully downloaded Microsoft Visual Studio Code in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like and share the video, subscribe to Tech Eye View, and ring the notification bell for more tech tips and tutorials so you never miss an update. Happy downloading! Let me know in the comments what you'll be coding with VS Code. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.